Hey everybody, Benita here, Plant-Based Believer, and this is a very quick tutorial on using the 8 application. We introduced this in week 14 of Plant-Based Believer, which you can check out, plantbasedbeliever.com. All right, so here you see that I've already downloaded the ATE application here on my iPhone 7, and that is my dog Alvin saying hello. So when we go to open that, what you're going to notice is the very first thing you're going to see, and I'm going to put this here so you're like looking at a wall, is there's a little black button that says take a picture. So you're able to click that and it's going to take a picture, and it's just going to ask you one question. Are you on path or off path? So is the food that you've eaten before you've put it into your mouth, is it something that is supporting your goal or is it not? So the most important thing about this app is it's really just about being a truth teller. Because the reality is nobody is 100% compliant 100% of the time. That's just called being human. And so just tell it the truth, on path, off path. So I'm going to say for this one, it's off path because, you know, who eats the wall? So after you've gone through, you can take a picture, but let's say that you ate something and you forgot to take a picture of it. I've done that. So right here next to the take a picture button, you see add other, a little plus sign. You can click that. Here you have the option in the free app, so just ignore this 14-day free trial premium thing. This is where you're able to do things like add text only. So I could add text only, and I can go oatmeal with, let's see, fruit. Can I spell? There we go. And you can add the date and the time, as you can see, and you can add that as a text only and say, hey, that was on path. So you can see in our example here, I've had oatmeal with fruit in the example, and my funny little wall. You can also go back in and add a picture, so you can do the import function here. And I'm just using water bottle because it was in my photo, and I can say that's on path. So you can see it really is just as simple as I take a picture, I add stuff. Now let's talk about that additional step, which is how to share. So I'm going to go up here to Sunday, August 2nd, because this was a real day for me. You can see it's 7:22 in the morning. I started with some oatmeal because I woke up hungry. And then I made some of the amazing chocolate coffee cookies that day. And I had a couple of them with a cup of coffee that had no sugar in it because I just felt the need. And then you can see I had some plant-based stuff at 3 and 6. So when you go to share, all you have to do again is from your main menu, just scroll up and find the day that you want to share. So mine happened to be August 2nd. And see this daily recap? It's right here in this gray area. All you need to do is click daily recap. So, and share your day. Now when you go share now, it's going to take a minute and it's going to, build what it's going to post. And now all you have to do is find your Facebook if you want to share it into the group. You'll now choose news feed, and that's because you want to be able to share it into the plant group. So when you're at this screen, just a quick warning, if you just hit post, it's going to go into your friends and any album you may have set. So that's just going to go to everybody on your friends list. Let's say that you want to put it into the Plant-Based Believer group. The way you do that is up here between cancel and post, it says newsfeed, and it says tap to change. So I'm going to tap that now. And you can see I have the option, I can go into my groups, and I have a bunch of groups I like, but I'm going to choose Plant-Based Believer. Now notice at the top under the red bar on my phone, it says cancel, Plant-Based Believer, and then it says post. And here is where you can type in, hey, I had a good day today. Or you could type in, oh, I had an awful day today, right? And so here you do this, say whatever you like, and this is going to take this post, and you'll notice under my name it says Plant-Based Believer, and it's going to share it just into the group. So the people who are on this journey with you, you click the post button, and with that, it is going to post it into Facebook immediately into our group because everybody in the group. And it might take a minute to upload, but there you go, share to Facebook, which is all complete. So with that, Alvin and I want to thank you very much for being a part of Plant-Based Believer. And again, check out the 8 app. This is a free application. It doesn't cost you anything. And it allows you to really quickly stay on path. And so welcome again to week 14 in the journey, or anytime you pick up using the 8 app. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at plantbasedbeliever.com or on social media, because I always love to be able to chat with you. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.